Yes guys, I'm frying some breadfruit. So guys, here go, I'm frying the breadfruit that I baked in my oven. And here's the dumpling that I already fried, guys, for breakfast. And here is my green seasoning, tomato, sweet pepper and scallion and onion. Here's my spring salmon, canned salmon that I'm gonna fry up. Here goes the fried breadfruit and the fried dumpling. And here I'm frying up in my oil, I'm frying up all the green seasoning, black onion, scallion and sweet pepper and tomato, guys. So I'm frying this up. So right here guys, I'm putting in all my powder seasoning. So fry my salmon, guys. If you're watching this video and still watching the video, guys, please subscribe, like, comment and share. So that's a salt-free season that I use in my food because I put low sodium. So I balance out my seasoning, my powder seasoning, with some salt-free seasoning. Right here guys, I'm putting some tomato sauce in the freezer, and there goes some hot pepper, some homemade hot pepper sauce. Now I'm stirring up everything so that the tomato sauce can cook. So guys, you see what I do? I put all the powder seasoning and everything before. Now I'm gonna put my salmon, guys. So I'm using a fork to pick up the salmon. I took out all the skin. I take off the skin. I take out all the bones. So there is no skin on the salmon. There is no bone, guys. Now I'm gonna add the salmon to my sauce. Yes guys, so now I'm stirring in the salmon in the sauce. And then I'm gonna let it cook down a little bit more after all the seasoning. There you go guys, it's finished stirring in, and now it's cooking down, guys. It doesn't take a lot of time, guys. You just want to make sure the seasoning is soaked into the salmon. So that's why I keep it on the stove for another minute or so. So there you go guys, it's almost finished. So my salmon with roast breadfruit, fried breadfruit and fried dumpling, guys. So there you go guys, it's the fried breadfruit and the fried dumpling with the salmon, guys. Tastes very good. If you try out this recipe, leave a comment and let me know how it comes out, for those of us who know about breadfruit, guys. Yes guys, so thank you so much for watching, and God bless.